So for your academic session, so the exams, the assignments, the test, and any material, whatever we are conveying to you. Previously, everything was posted in WhatsApp. Now everything was happened in digital classrooms. What we call as digital classroom. Example, now we are following as Google Classroom. So today I am going to just explain you how we are going to do everything in Google Classrooms. So previously we will be having interaction with each other like directly, but nowadays we may not even see our faces, but our activities are done, our works are done, marks are giving. So everything was happening, right? So first thing, if you want to make it in Google Classroom, what are the mandatory things? The first thing is mandatory. Which are the things are mandatory? We need to learn that. I hope everyone is having the mail, Gmail ID. Is it so? Yes, good.
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
is having the Gmail ID. But even though very few is not having their Gmail ID. Why I am specifically mentioning the Gmail ID is for Google Classroom. If you want to utilize or make use of Google Classroom, you need Gmail ID. Okay. So first of all, those who don't have the Gmail ID, how you have to sign up into that? What is the basic needs and what are the requirements you need to create your Gmail ID? So I will go for a short thing, that is short screenshot regarding that. And next thing is, after creating the Gmail ID, by using the Gmail ID, how you are getting entered into your classroom. That is, classroom means previously I just compare the previous, that is before lockdown and after lockdown. Okay. So previously, before lockdown, what we people will have is, you will be sitting in the same place and each and every subject teacher will be coming according to their sessions. But in this classroom, for each and every subject, the different classrooms are created. The students, that is yourself, you should log into that classroom separately. If it is a physics assignment, you need to submit into the physics classroom. If it is a maths assignment, you should submit in the maths classroom. So for each and every teacher is handling a different classroom, and you will be having according to the subject wise classroom. Okay, so before lockdown, you will be having only one classroom, that is section A or section B or section C it is. But as it is a digital, if you are having 7 subjects, you will be having a 7 classrooms in digital. I hope you understand the difference between the previous, that is before lockdown and after lockdown.
Yeah, ma'am.
And next thing, how you should submit your assignments there, and how you will know how to do the works in that, and how you will know your marks in that. Okay, shall we go for that? So first I'll just make one step-by-step process, that is how to create a Gmail ID, and using that Gmail ID, how you should join the class, that is join the classroom using Gmail ID. Okay, and how you should submit your assignments inside that, and how you should hand it over that, and how you can see your marks. Okay, shall we go for that? And Nitin Sriram, please mute yourself. Nitin Sriram. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Nitin Sriram. So we go for a presentation, and please acknowledge me whether you can able to see my screen. This can be done, that is Google Classroom or any assignments or any file transformation or file sending can be made using your phone itself. You never need a laptop. Everything can be done using a phone. So today is my first time I'm making using it of phone. So I'm going to share this with you. Can you all able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you, thank you, thank you. See, so this is the first step, how to create a Gmail account. So I'm just saying you, after getting into the Gmail, you will be having already, if you have it, it will go for an username and a password. Okay. Otherwise, it will go for a sign up for a new account. So if you click for a sign up, you will get a form like this. Can you able to see the form? The first name, the next is username. What is called username is our ID name. That is user ID. Which name you want to create? The user Gmail ID. Okay. And next thing is, it will ask for a password, and it will again say it for confirmation of your password. And next thing is your date of birth, that is which date, month and year, and the gender, and a phone number. So this is one set. And after that, after the phone number, it will ask for your current email address. That is, if you have already a Gmail ID, no issues. If you have a previous like Rediff mail or Yahoo or whatever, Hotmail, like that, so many mails are there. Okay, so many platforms are there. So if you want to create, if you want some setback, that is recovery, for recovery purpose it is asking. Okay, so if you have any email ID previously, you can give that, your current email ID. If it is not there also, no problem. Okay, and after that, it will give one small text, which is shown in the form itself. Okay, so after typing the text, it will ask for the location. Location is nothing but which country you are from. India, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, whatever it is. Okay, so you should say that. After completing it, in order to verify your account, the number, the which phone number you have given there, it will send you one small text message. That is just like an OTP. Okay, so it will send you a text message. Then after sending the text message, you should enter that verification code next here. Then after entering the verification code, you can give continue. The button is here. Okay. After pressing that, it will ask for you whatever name you have created, the nickname, the first name, it will take it as a short name. It will welcome you and continue to Gmail. So if you click on that button, it will take you into the Gmail account. So now the Gmail account is created. Got it? So those who want to create a new Gmail account, please try it out. Those who already created, no issues. Those who still not yet started your Gmail account, please start your Gmail account right now after finishing this session. Okay, go for the sign up option and fill that form, submit it, and get into the Gmail ID. Okay, and next thing, after completing our Gmail, that is creating our Gmail ID, what is our next step? So for what purpose we have created this Gmail ID? To get into the classroom. So how we will enter into the classroom? There are two options. I think you can able to see this. I'll just show you one small. Can you all able to see? Can you all able to see my marks there?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
If you,
Yeah,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Yes,
If
yes,
you
ma'am.
click on that, you will be listing out some drop down listers. So in the drop down list, you can see your Google Classroom. Okay, so your Google Classroom icon will be like this. That is You can able to see the green color picture, green color icon with yellow color border. So this is your
Yeah, ma'am.
Google
Yes, ma'am. There is
Classroom. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your Google Classroom icon. Okay, this is the one type of option where you can select through that icon. That is the dotted one. And second option is also there. You can go for classroom.google.com. If you type that in the Google search, it will take you to the Google platform directly. The two options are there. After getting into that, as soon as you get into the classroom, it will ask you to choose your role here. And you're able to see, choose your role. I am a student, I am a teacher. Because two options are there. One is for student as well as for a teacher. Okay. So when I am a teacher, I will click as a teacher. When you are as a student, you will be clicking as a student. There are two different options are there. When I go for a teacher, it will ask me some other different option and some other ID and password. And if you go for a student, because you may also try for a teacher also. So for that reason, I am saying, for us, it will ask for, take me to a different path. For you, it will take you to the different path. Okay. So which thing we will choose it? That is, you will choose it is, I am a student. After selecting a student, it will take you to the Google Classroom here. So automatically, Google Classroom will ask for you a Gmail ID. Okay. If you are inside the Gmail ID and selecting, it means this thing will not be available. If you are coming out, that is, you are getting inside through the website. That is classroom.google.com means it will ask you this one. Okay. So you have to give your Gmail ID only. It will not support any other ID. Okay. So Gmail ID, after selecting that Gmail ID, it will ask for to continue. After getting the continue option, it will give you a small dialog box. Ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. And it will ask for the class code. So what is called class code? The class code is nothing but just like a password. Okay. So how it will be? How the class code will be? I will show you a small class code here. So this is the classroom which I have created earlier. And here it is mentioned as class code UVI is at AXP, right? So this is what the class code looks like. Okay. So how we will share that class code? So we will share the class code using a link, maybe using a link. We will share the link to your WhatsApp ID or Gmail ID or any ID, whichever you are providing for your communication. So through that, we will be sharing our class code. Not only me, every teachers. So if you have your WhatsApp mobile number, we will share it to that. If you have given your correct mail ID, we will share it to that. So only these two possible things are there till now. So we will share it through that. And you should enter that ID, that is class code, which I have showed you now. And click the join option. Okay, after joining into that, can you all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
After joining into that, you will get into the classroom page. You will get into the classroom page. This is what your classroom will looks like. That is, finally, you have entered into the digital classroom. That is Google Classroom. There are so many digital classrooms are there. Now I am just explaining about Google Classroom. Most probably, you will be having the Google Classroom. And another option is Microsoft Teams will be there. Okay. So there are two types of online classes are going there. One is through Gmeet, that is Google, and another one is Microsoft Teams. So now we are focusing into the Googles. So I don't want to divert there the next time. So after finishing it, we can go forward. So finally, using your Gmail ID, you have entered into your classroom page. So what are the things are there in the classroom page? Can you able to see? So there is a one small thing called, I just make it a stream page is there, and next thing is classwork is there, and another thing is people or students. Okay, both things will be available. Okay. So after this, what thing will be there? How you will find yourself if any assignments are posted or any work as given or assigned to you? How you will know that? So whatever the thing or whatever the assignments or whatever the work allotted to you, you have to go for a classwork. The classwork is given, right? You should go for a classwork. So how the classwork will be? If you click on the classwork, you can able to see this. See, if you click on this is your student session. Okay. If anything is given, if you click on the classwork, you can able to see the assignments which is posted in the Google Classroom. So what is that assignment? It is just posted as assignment 1. Okay. So after that, if you click on that assignment, one second. If you click on that assignment 1, you can able to see this. That is add class comment, and the attachment will be shown down. And finally, your work, and here it is add attachment. After seeing your attachment, that is any 2 questions will be given, or any images can be given, or whatever the task you have allotted in the classroom, you can able to see that. The same thing is done in the soft copy itself. You can't make any hard copy like records or whatever, record or some assignments using that A4 sheet. Nothing can be done. You should make yourself all this thing in a soft copy, either in a Word document or in a PDF. Most probably everything is converted to the PDF with your section, roll number, name, registration number. Okay. After creating that, you have to do a attachment here as a soft copy. Can you all able to see the add attachment here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is the add attachment here. If you click on that attachment, it will be attached here. So it will be automatically attached here. After attachment, you will be having one hand in button. So if you click on that hand in button, it will automatically send to us. That is submitted. It's nothing but submitted. Okay. After submission, how we people came to notice that? That is, as a teacher, how will I notice that? You people can't see our side, and our side cannot be, that is, your side cannot be seen by us, and our side cannot be seen by you. So after handed in, that's why I took the 2 sessions, that is as a teacher, as a student. So as a student, you have handed in, And what is our, after handed in, how it will be visible to us, how it will be noticed to us. See, after handed in, you have submitted. See how it is showing to us. As a teacher, how it is showing to us. The student work will be, I will be clicking the student work. The handed in is, one is handed in. The person, whichever ID or whichever name you are giving it for representing, that name will be visible. So today I have seen so many names which is not in the registration name. Some nicknames or any other fancy names are came through today. So please change yourself. If you are in Gmail ID, please give your original name which is in the registration, that is college registration name. Okay, so that thing will be visible for us. So he is a Mandeep Singh who had the same name which is in the register. So handed in. Handed in means he is submitted. Okay, the same thing will be there, and the points upper side is declared as 100 points, and finally we will give the points. How many? We will check the document and we will be giving the marks. The points is nothing but as marks. That is measured as marks. Okay. So these thing was happening in the digital classroom, that is Google Classroom. Okay. So this is the final step for both student and teacher. Okay. Everybody is clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubts you are having regarding this?
No, ma'am. All clear.
All
No,
clear.
ma'am.
Good,
No, ma'am.
good. Good to hear this. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you so much. So here onwards, we are going to, even though if you are coming directly means we will be very happy to see you all. But some due to some issues, that is regarding this pandemic situation, some situations we will be having these assignments to be submitted using the Google Classroom, right? So please just see the data regarding that. So make use of that. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Yeah, சொல்லுங்க sir.
அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் லிங்க் வந்து சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல போஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், கொஞ்சம் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க.
என்ன சார் புரியல? அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் ஃபீட்பேக் லிங்க். ஓகே
அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் லிங்க்.
ஓகே சார், ஷூர் சார்.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
Okay sir. See, listen students, those who all attended today session, so please see your chat box. The attendance form is posted there.
Madam, already filled, madam, that form.
Already filled. Okay, those who filled, no issues. Those who not yet filled,
Okay.
please fill the form. Please fill the form.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
மேம் டுடே அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் மேம் இது. ஓகேங்களா?
Today attendance. Okay, okay.
ஆமா ஆமா. ஏனா அவங்க வந்து சாட்டர்டே பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, ஃப்ரைடே பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. இது டுடே அட்டெண்டன்ஸ்.
Okay, okay, okay.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
See, this is your today's attendance. Please fill the today's attendance. See, please fill your today's attendance, which is posted in the chat box. Saranam sir, class wind up பண்ணலாமா?
பண்ணிடலாம் மேம்.
Ma'am, it's not coming, ma'am.
It's not coming. See, try for once. Those who are not able to fill the attendance form, try again and again. Because as so many people will try at the same time, it may not. Okay. Those who already filled it means already those who filled it today, it's today's attendance. That is Friday and Saturday will be that day attendance. Ma'am, is that link is showing that already responded. சார் ஏதாவது லிங்க் பழைய லிங்கா இது இன்னைக்கு link தானா? இல்ல இது வந்து ஆல்ரெடி ரெஸ்பாண்டட்னு பசங்களுக்கு காட்டுதான்.
Yes, ma'am. It's already responded, ma'am.
Already. Today if you responded, today it is showing that responded again or last time?
Today onwards, ma'am.
Today. Okay.
மேம் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ணலாம் விட்டுல சொல்றாங்க. அவங்க வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல
சரிங்க சார். ஓகே
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே மேம் வைண்ட் அப் பண்ணிடலாம். தேங்க் யூ.
ஓகே சார். Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.